Do it. I dare you to. I dare you to.
Ow! You stuck yourself in my ear!
Stop trying to put your head down there, God. She doesn't want to, she doesn't want to.
I'll do it.
Sorry, you gotta keep up with my fleas.
She has cats.
My dad's part.
They come out of her vagina, too.
They do. They do.
You hit me for no reason, what the hell?
They did.
The cat, please.
Well, if the cat's on the fleas and the fleas
cat
are on
has
the cat, you know, hey.
Wait, if the cat's on the fleas?
If the fleas are on the cat came out your vagina, then yes, you have fleas.
Okay, let's make this clear. The cat ran underneath my seat,
No.
not through my vagina.
Yes, it came.
Through?
Hey,
Is it like a tunnel?
through. It's like a gateway to hell.
She snorted everything.
Nom nom nom.
No puking.
Nom, nom, nom. Yeah, no puking now. No snort. Squeal like a piggy.
That looks like baby.
Snort like a piggy. I don't know how they snort.
Hey, they throw up
in your vagina.
It's like a storage place, you know, cats. One of these days, there's like a toy car's gonna be like, help me.
No, if she ever gets pregnant, she have a baby going, get me out! We gotta be quiet.
Yeah, we're still.
We got yelled at by the team.
First time.
Won't be the last. Oh yeah, play the music. I love this scene. Whoa! I'm afraid of Jody, like, every time he moves, it's like, no! Ouch!
don't lick my finger. You don't know where it's been.
I know, I'm so grossed out.
Like, oh my god, she's gonna throw up.
She's gonna snort
I need
first, then
bleach.
throw. The way you make me feel. To the Carlton.
I don't have to be drunk though.
You know the Carlton where he sits there and he's all like, you know. Yeah, that's it. You need to get up and go do it.
Whoa! I'm seriously, please get up and do it.
Someone's gonna hit me.
Not me.
No, she looks really mad. Two pillows.
I was gonna make her like. Sure. Wait, what am I turning for? Oh. I was like, wait, what am I turning for? I didn't know this involved me moving. I sound so bad. I'm stop singing.
He's like the bird with the water.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Whoa! I grabbed my nipple.
Get him.
Ketchup.
Bad ketchup. Bad. Bad ketchup.
And it's definitely ketchup. Today.
See, where do you think she keeps her phone? Ow. And it's locked on vibrate.
Oh yeah.
There's a status that says I wasn't as happy as the day when my cell phone got stuck on vibrate.
And she's like, yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get Cat in there, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Go. I know. Okay, no, and we have to.
Yeah.
They got them over there.
Hey, my woman. Can't have this. This is my bitch. Ow, you're gonna hit me in the face.
Oh.
Oh yeah. The boobs are going. Oh, you got me. I'm all.
What?
You're comfortable, Janelle. Thanks.
Yeah, take it, yeah.
Break your neck. She's gonna wake up and we're like, ow!
I'm like stuck like this. I'm like, I think.
Yeah, Taco Neck syndrome. Do you remember that? The commercial from Taco Bell where everyone was like this?
Oh yeah, they're like. Get in the chopper.
Get in the chopper! Get in the chopper! Get in the chopper!
Oh, they're eating each other.
That's what he said.
What's that? No, I'm hiding.
Maybe you have sex hair. What? You have sex hair. Yeah, she gets sex hair. There you go.
And the couch is moving and everything. You guys to make my mouth hurt from smiling.
Smiling.
Stop moving, people.
Yeah, just go like this. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey, watch this. Watch. Right?
I think we're done.
Janelle taught me how to do it.
What? Janelle cheated?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's Janelle and Nellie.
Nellie taught me how.
What did I do to you?
Oh, what, to gurgle?
Oh yeah.
If anyone didn't see that. Yeah, we still have like 30 minutes. This is like, we've been here for a half hour. This is my third video, 10 minutes long.
I don't have a pony ass, don't I?
He's the sheriff in town. Just poke her, huge. I poked her snatch. I nutted in her butt twice.
Wait, no, that wasn't me.
No, that was her.
mine.
It was Emily. I nutted in Emily's ass twice.
Yeah, and then I had to pull it out.
It rolled to her vagina.
Never mind, I don't want that soda anymore.
So who ate it?
Nobody ate it.
Who ate the nut out of your
No,
butt?
nobody ate the nut out of her butt.
I feel bad for anybody who ate the nut out of anybody's butt.
We're perverts. You know what's funny? We're at McDonald's. I showed you that video of my nephew.
Yeah.
My oldest nephew did something like, oh, they do this, and he was like, yeah. He's like, you were like that, you're like that, and you're like that. And he looked at me and I was like, no, honey. I said, I'm this. Which would mean vagina, penis. I'm like, two vaginas. And he was like, ant shell.
That actually might be even better.
No, yeah, that might
no.
be.
We're gonna go to Schwan Park. And then we'll just leave.
Yeah.
We'll get drunk and then
Two-faced people suck.
I'm not drinking though.
So. What? I didn't do it. What? No. No, we still have a half hour. Or 30 seconds.
What?
30 seconds.
Oh, look at the video.
Earthquake!
You're the one that's gonna get us thrown out.
I know.
So are we leaving whenever they leave? Oh, you guys can go now.
We're just playing around on the webcam.
We're gonna play with it there. I'm gonna go sit on Nellie's lap.
Ow, your bony ass.